Hello, Sanbonani. My name is Sibo. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making garlic butter twisted bread. Please watch until the end. In a bowl, place warm milk, yeast, sugar, stir, add an egg and stir. Add butter or margarine, sift in flour, knead until everything comes together. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Cover the bowl with a cling wrap. Allow it to rest for 30 minutes. Let's make the filling. Add oregano, chopped garlic to the softened butter in a bowl. Add garlic powder for more flavor, and that's optional. Add honey, and this is optional too. Then mix them all together. Set the mixture aside. Let's go back to the dough. Knead it and sprinkle flour if it is sticky. Take the dough out of the bowl. Shape the dough into a ball. I almost said a bowl, a ball. Brush the rolling pin with flour and roll the dough flat. Roll it on both sides. Keep alternating the sides. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Once the dough looks almost like a rectangular shape and about 5 millimeters thick, spread the garlic butter filling. To you, my family, my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continuous support on this channel. I truly appreciate you. Sprinkle grated mozzarella cheese, or what you call pizza cheese. Cut the dough as shown in the video. Stack the cut pieces on top of each other. Line a 24 by 14 centimeter baking pan with a non-stick baking paper. Then put the dough in the baking pan. Cover the pan with a cling wrap. Let it proof for another 25 to 30 minutes. Then preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit 15 minutes before you bake. Brush the dough with milk, then bake it for 30 to 35 minutes or until it is done. Once the bread is done, brush it with butter or margarine to soften it. Please press the like button and leave a comment below. Let me know, would you try this recipe? Cool the bread for 10 minutes before putting it in a cooling rack. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.